Got my pizza and my soda. I've got a guy coming out to look at this Mazda 2015 Grand Touring. Maybe doing some trading on a BMW V12. Between that, I'm gonna put these fuses in here on this car. I got some new fuses. Replace all the crappy fuses, so we'll see. I'll be doing a trade today. So, got all these fuses. Not all of them are bad, but some of them are still that old, crappy. That one, that one, that one, that one. I got some new ones. We're gonna replace them. So I was able to find these here on Walmart.com. So got all the different colors for the different fuses you need for your Mercedes. So we can take this white one out, like this. You can see these here, they come apart pretty easy. This one may not fall apart easy, but some of them, it doesn't take much. This one's a little better than some of the others. Yeah, so you want to use some needle nose. I was using my fingers. Got all those done. There was this wire someone had ran for something. I'm not sure what that's for. So we'll leave it off. See what that's for. Okay, all the fuse is done. I don't know what that wire does. I'm just gonna leave that out. It is on the hot side. Stick that. This thing warms up quick, goes to its loop awful quick. I'm used to that Pontiac. It runs for quite a minute before it goes into its own closed loop. Crazy. We'll take the old wagon out.
Should be fine, though.
Look at that. My son fixed it. That little rubber flap. Thank you. So you go on the Saab and you need your washer fluid for the windshield. Well, not a problem. It's like going through the car wash. Golly.
How many does it have on the back?
I don't know, but it's got 3 sprayers on the hood, and it's like going through a car wash.
No, it's got 3 sprayers, but 2 nozzles on each sprayer.
Yeah.
And then I guess we'll have to check the back.
Yeah. Yeah, so I guess there's 3 nozzles on the hood. Yeah. I wonder how many there is on the back. Is this the washer fluid for the back?
That's the
No.
one.
Oh, it's not spraying. I sprayed, but it must be out back there. Oh well. Tail lights is the best part. Just one sprayer? Yeah, it's got 3 on the hood. Well, it's running fine now, but that ECU will go out again. Hey, roll that window. Hey, put that window back up over here. '2006 Saab Turbo 9.3. Trying to get a check engine light so we can take a picture of the codes, but we think we may have someone that can fix it for us, right, Matthew?
Yeah. These headlights are good.
Guess I'll shut this off. We're gonna give it a rev up real quick though. Solstice, the Dollar General of Miatas. No, it's not. They're better than Miata. 43 degrees. It started off at 36. Okay, it's the next day. I think I made some video yesterday with the Saab and the Mercedes, but we're gonna jump over on this window here, do a reseal on it. Pontiac Solstice. Use the suction cups. Took a razor, cleaned off all the tape residue, and clean all that off before I did that. I'm gonna vacuum out this trunk lid area and yeah, clean it out real good. Really sure what those ball bearings are or what they're from. Somebody dumped something out in the trunk. Some more what are those ball bearings, BBs? Oh, I bet those are pellets. Those guys that do the fake army stuff, whatever you call it. Airsoft. That's what I was trying to think of. Airsoft. I think that's what those are from. Yeah. I'm using my nose to turn this off. These gloves don't work. Alright, let's get the other side vacuumed out. One arm bandage. Okay, so I've got the primer on the window, on the fabric of the top. Right now I had to use some of this caulking to repair the top before I could do the window. So that's why I've got it clamped down and let that set, and then tomorrow we'll do the window. So to be continued for tomorrow on the top. Here, I'll do a wide view. This is the trunk. There's a suction cup kit. And once I'm done, this back window will be good and sealed up. The top's got a little bit of imperfection here from where this door window rubs that. But it doesn't leak. I'm going to clean it. Obviously clean the car. The tires have pretty good tread, but probably wouldn't hurt to put some tires on it in the near future. Like I said, the front bumper, you know, hangs kind of a little bit low, but it's very common from where they drag going into the parking lots. The rest of the car, the paint looks pretty good. You got these spots here from where the top snaps into here. So I'm not sure. I think there's probably a way to clean that up. But the paint itself looks really good. Okay, I'm going to update on the progress here. The back window, it's not perfect by any means, but the top isn't perfect, the car isn't perfect, so why make the back window perfect, right? At least that's my excuse. Yeah, it looks like it's failed just a little bit, but I'm not sure what else I can do about it. I think it's just going to be what it is. I mean, it doesn't look bad. It's just a little bit sagging right there. I hate that. But I think if I mess with it anymore, it's just not going to make it any better. So I'm just going to leave it. As long as it's sealed and the window's in place, I'm happy with that. Because like I said, the top's not perfect anyway. So I'm making it better, not perfect. I got to be okay with that. I have a hard time with being okay with that. So we'll just see. Yeah, I would rather it been turned out a little better than that, but I don't know. Got those ledge on there to hold the weight onto that one spot. Then we wait. We'll see how it looks tomorrow. I think I'm going to pull this up with a couple of those thick zip ties. And then that way this will be held up. A lot of people just cut this off, but I'm going to leave it because it's a good channel for the for air. That, and I just don't want to cut it off. So, yeah. So while that's setting, I'm going to start the forward focus. It hasn't ran in a few days. Try to start everything that it's not driven. So the battery doesn't just go dead. These things are bad about locking keys in the car. So you always want to do that. Let that run for a minute. Now I need to do something with this old shed. So we'll clean it out. Go from there. Put the old battery on. I have to disconnect the Saab every day. Runs the battery down if I don't. We're gonna load up some stuff in the back of this, out of the shed. It's mostly like car emergency stuff. So yeah, I got a quote to fix the ECU out of Jacksonville, Florida. So I'm gonna send it to them, and if it goes well, I'm gonna definitely talk about that on another video with this Saab. But we'll pop the trunk. Yeah. Put the seat down. We'll put some more stuff back here that's in the shed. Yeah, I got all this stuff here. Just basic car care stuff that came with that green car. So we're jumping over from the Pontiac to the Mercedes, and I got a brake line that busted on the passenger side, so I thought, you know, before we go doing the brake lines and doing all that, we look in here and look at that. Look at that, it's so gross. Ugh. I don't know how much trouble it is to get that reservoir off. Ugh. We'll see if I can clean it with these cotton balls. Wish me luck. I'm the only one that doesn't have a garage out there, just a driveway to work on. Well, I need to suck the rest of this brake fluid out. I think I'm gonna see if I can find my pump out of this mess. So this is gonna be like a cleaning out the shed and also working on the Mercedes day, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, let's get to work on the shed, and once we get all this cleared out of here, maybe I'll find what I need to suck out the brake fluid of the Mercedes, the 400E. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna try to take just a video of the fluid that I had taken out the other day to show you how bad it was. I twisted my ankle. Oh my gosh. Oh, my goodness. Nasty. So is anyone able to guess how old this fluid is? I mean, 1992 was it the original? This car sat for a long time. So I'm kind of wondering. I found my little pump, so I can pump the rest of that crap out. Try to clean up some more of that. But I'm making some headway in here. So, yeah. What a mess. But it's all part of the process. Ugh. It's like a spring cleaning day, but in January. It looks like it's set. It's not sticky anymore. It's been almost 7 hours. I'm gonna go ahead and take these off. It's supposed to rain tonight, and with the wind and this, I'd rather not risk this coming down onto here. So I'm gonna take these off. I think it's good enough. Nervous. Look at this setup. That worked out pretty good though. Hey, I gotta clean it up. That white is from tape from where whoever duct taped it before. And then I'll take some razor and clean up some of the mess, but the glass is now in there. I think it looks great. Considering for an old used car. Back glass is in place. This looks like it's coming apart here, but I'm thinking that can be repaired with simple Velcro, or I don't know if that caulking would work on that or not, but the back window's back in place.
back window off. It's not 100% perfect. I think the window is a little bit too far that way compared to here. Yeah, it is. But you know, it's a used car. It's not gonna be perfect, but I tried. It's sealed. So, got the back window in. I think that's tape residue. I'm sure that can be cleaned off. I'm going to try to get it off myself.